Imagine how successful your business could be if you could easily visualize the crucial data you need to optimize it. Data you're already collecting, like from here, here, as well as a bunch of other popular business applications. Well, today's your lucky day. Now any Power BI Pro user can unleash their data with Power BI template apps. These apps are designed to consolidate disparate data sources and metrics into a single view that quickly generate quality insights for sharing, collaborating, and crushing KPIs. Each template app installs in one click and starts generating reports immediately with little investment or expertise. They're easy to personalize for your specific needs too. Whether you're already a Power BI Pro user or just getting started, it really is a no-brainer. If you're looking to harness data for sales, finance, purchasing, payroll, HR, inventory, or just get a better general understanding of your business and customers, there's likely an app in our curated collection that can help. Want to get started? Just head over to Power BI. Find the template apps most relevant to you, click to install, and off you go. Then unlock what's next with Power BI template apps.